Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. For today's recipe ay magluluto po tayo ng napakasarap na kinamatisang tilapia. So ayan guys, look how delicious it is. So let's get into it. Pumalpak po tayo. Akala ko gumagana yung camera ko kanina. Ayan, so naisote ko na po yung onion, garlic, ginger, at saka yung kamatis po natin. Ngayon ay ilalagay na po natin ang ating water. 4 cups of water guys. And then isi-season po natin ng salt. And then ground black pepper. And then chicken bouillon. Ayan lang po guys ang ating seasonings na gagamitin. And then halu-haluin lang po natin. Let's mix it really good. And then pakukuluin lang po natin siya guys for about maybe 5 minutes. Ayan, haluin po natin ng mabuti. Ang bango niya guys. More kamatis is mas masarap po siya. Kumukulo na siya guys. Then ilalagay na po natin ang ating pritong tilapia. Ayan, isang piraso lang po siya guys. Pero napakalaki niya po. Leftover lang po namin itong pritong tilapia guys. From kahapon po. Kaya ito yung naisipan kong gawin today. Ayan, so ilagay lang natin ang ating mga vegetables on top. Ang bango guys, super nakakagutom. Ayan, and then pakukuluan ko lang po siya ng mga maybe 3 minuto. And after 3 minutes guys, this is it. This is done na po. Ang bango sobra guys. So patayin na po natin ang apoy and then ready to serve. Plating time. So here it is guys. Lagyan natin ng maraming kamatis on top. O, diba? Na iba na ang ating recipe. And then, yung sabaw po natin. Alright, so, here it is guys. This is our finished product of our kinamatisang tilapia. Look how delicious it is guys. You guys have to try this recipe. For sure, magugustuhan po ninyo. Napakadaling lutuin at saka napakasarap. So, here it is guys. Now, I'm gonna do the taste test. This is my favorite part. Wow, ang sarap niya guys. Napakalasa niya po. Talagang malalasahan mo yung lasa ng kamatis. Kasi ang dami po nating nilagay na kamatis guys. So, I can't stop eating this guys. Inaantay ko pa ang aking rice. Ayan, ang sarap guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video now. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell button so you will be notified every time I have a new upload. Thank you so much and bye for now.